Hello, my name is Juan Felipe Miranda Medina. The main focus of my research has been Afro-Peruvian music and dance, more specifically, a step dance known as Zapateo, where two or more dancers challenge each other improvising. I continue to conduct research on Zapateo today, but I am not only interested in its complex aesthetics and improvisational structures, which I am studying, nor on the myriad of interactions between the dancers, the musician, and the audience. My experience practicing capoeira and Zapateo, together with my background drawing from different disciplines like anthropology, engineering, philosophy, has led me to value one fundamental concept in the history of African diasporas, a concept that continues to be essential in today's world: freedom. What is it to be free? Is it to do what you want? Is it to act within the boundaries of what others' freedom will allow us to do? I don't really consider any of these replies to be satisfactory. The question of freedom, I believe, it constitutes the positive content of a decolonial agenda. Rather than overemphasizing on the D of decolonial or decolonization, the study of artistic practices provides us with an insight into how we can become free and how we can learn to relate with radical difference or otherness, and what sort of challenges the very concept of decolonizing dance must face in order for it to have an impact in today's world.